Hey, this is Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and welcome to this very short video. Um, First off, I want to say, um, obviously, we are in the middle of some very difficult times when it comes to the country, in all countries, to be honest. And every one of us is impacted in some way, shape, or form, not just now, but probably for months and maybe even years to come. So, you know, we all have a story. It's all affected us differently, whether you know somebody who's been sick or you're laid off from work. I myself am temporary laid off. I did it voluntarily to help the small business I work for, and we're slow to begin with, so I just felt it was the best thing. Plus, it's responsible. We really weren't doing much. I'm an electrician. Um, we're trying to avoid going to people's houses and spreading the disease unintentionally. So if you guys have a story or how it's affected you, or even what you're doing to occupy your time, make sure you comment down below. And just a heads up, those of you who know me and follow me personally on Facebook, I am wearing pants, just so you know. I know I instituted the no pants workforce policy, and I'm breaking that policy just in case the camera falls, and I don't want to have to edit out anything that you guys shouldn't have to see. But anyways, we have a lot coming on probably the next few weeks. Right off the bat, Friday, which would be tomorrow, which would be the 27th, we have the Four Horsemen build, and that launches, I believe, at 6 a.m. on Friday. Then on Saturday, we have the Deep Junk Garage Race Car Challenge, and that also kind of coincides unintentionally, I think, with the Three Blind Mice build, which I'm not part of, but there's a huge following. And what's great about all this is there's a ton of content that you guys, and this is kind of the point of the video here, there's a ton of content. If you're into diecast or into the hobby at all, now is the time to really watch and explore other builders, customizers, restorers. There's a ton of really great content up there, and a lot of us are monetized. Even though YouTube, you really don't make that much. Maybe when you get up to a couple 100,000 subscribers, you might make some money, enough to do well. But right now, even a little bit helps. And granted, we probably wouldn't see that money until next month, the way they do their payouts. But it certainly would be a good time to explore all the diecast guys out there and girls, and really just show your support. Comment on their videos, comment on this video. That helps rankings. It helps show YouTube that the videos are worth watching and worth them kind of pushing out to other people. So that's how you can kind of do your part to help us. And I'm not just saying me, I'm talking everybody across the board. There's so many talented builders out there. It's phenomenal. So I also have I had to make notes because I got a horrible memory. Devil's Details Diecast has a Batmobile challenge that he issued on our Facebook page, the group that we're in, and that is on the 31st. I will also be changing my film style, how I'm filming my videos. It's going to be a gradual thing, but just so you guys know, there's going to be some changes. I get kind of bored real easy, and it's funny, you never realize how much you touch your face until this virus thing. I mean, crazy. But anyways, I get bored real easy, and I like to do things a little bit different. I'm trying to stand out and make videos entertaining as well. So it'll be subtle changes, and it'll be slow. But just so you guys know, the other thing I might be doing, and I'm hoping to do, I'm going to be doing more larger scale, 1/24th diecast as well. I'd like to start getting into restoration and customizing of other types of toys that are automobile related, meaning like GI Joe type of stuff. You know, just as an example, um, just to expand what I'm doing. And those are bigger projects that I can't do a lot of when you're filming for YouTube and you have a schedule of once a week or twice a week. Trying to pump those out is a pain in the neck, but I'd like to do, you know, a little sprinkle of those in there once in a while. So, I touch my face again. But, you know, overall, that's the kind of the direction I'm going to be taking the channel in 2020. And now that I've got a little bit of downtime, I'm going to be able to get caught up with some of you guys' projects that you sent me. I am very far behind. I apologize. The commission stuff is on hold. As far as new stuff coming in, I'm not going to do any more commission except for what I have in-house. And, you know, I'll make an exception here and there, but for the most part, um, commissions are great. They certainly help me financially, but at the same time, it hurts me create on the creative side, because I get, you know, any of you who actually build cars, you know, it has to strike you. It has to, like, I could be in the middle of building something and I'll be like, oh shit, I could do this. And I start working on something else, and then, or I put it next in line. And what it does is it ends up pushing out things. And then I take on too many challenges, and that's my other issue that I'm going to be changing. I'm pretty much going to be doing the 4 horseman builds monthly. And that's about it for challenges for a while. They're great. They're awesome. And I know for me, it helps me, but it also helps the smaller channels. Not that I'm that big, but it helps smaller channels grow as well. But I need to put a stop to it for a while, because I'm just getting I'm getting overwhelmed, and it's taking the fun out of the hobby when it comes to that kind of thing. You know, if you have to force yourself to go do something, it makes it tough. So the whole point of this is, you know, we're all in kind of a crappy situation right now, and I'm trying to find a silver lining. My silver lining is I get to spend more time doing something I enjoy. I can finally clean this pigsty that I have, get a little bit more organized, get to some projects I've been dying to get to, and get caught up on all my commissions, and come out of this thing stronger and better than ever. And again, I'm going to reiterate this one last time. Please go watch other YouTubers' videos. Whatever support you can give them at this time would be helpful. You know, if you like their content, I'm not going to tell you to like or subscribe to anybody, but if you like their content, think about subscribing, comment on their videos, make sure you like their videos. All that plays into them getting pushed in more subscribers down the road, and will hopefully, you know, take the edge off a little bit on this whole virus thing and how it's impacting everybody. So this turned out a little bit longer. I think that's it. I hit all my notes. So yeah, pay attention in the next few days. I've got, I think, 3 videos coming in the next 5 days. 2 of them already done. One of them I haven't even started. So I got to get going on that. But thanks for watching, and stay safe. Hopefully you guys are all doing okay, and are at least as good as can be, and are healthy at least. And I will catch you on the next one.